What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Friday, August 21st, 2020. Got a little bit different digs this morning. Figure changing the scenery might be good for you guys. Let's go ahead and jump on into the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. All the markets are down. Just going to throw it out there right now. Gold is down to 1926.36. Silver is down at 26.75, giving us a ratio of 72.03. Platinum is down significantly at 9.11.20, and palladium is trending downwards as well at 22.37.06. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at 12,200. Copper is down a few cents at 2.95. Aluminum is down a penny at 78 cents, and uranium is steady at 30.80. Barrels of crude oil are down slightly at 42.24 a barrel. We had positive gains on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was up 46 points at 27,739.73. The NASDAQ was up 118 points at 11,264.95. And the S&P 500 was up 10 points at 3385.51. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, those are pretty steady. We didn't have much of an interest yesterday in the non-existent currency. It is at 11,705.90. And if you guys happen to be a fan of the Utah Goldback, those are going at an exchange rate of $3.25. Speaking of Goldbacks, of course, you're going to want to stick around. It's Free Gold Friday. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and review today's article. This comes to us from CNN. With cameras rolling, prospectors find $250,000 worth of gold. After waiting months for their mining permits, prospectors Brent Shannon and his brother-in-law Ethan West pulled 2 nuggets from the ground worth a combined total of $250,000. The find was documented on Thursday's episode of Aussie Gold Hunters on the Discovery Channel. According to reports from CNN, the pair of nuggets weigh a combined 3.5 kilograms or 7.7 pounds and were found on the same day near Tarnagula in Victoria State. Australia morning show Sunrise interviewed the 2 prospectors. Quote, "It was pretty exciting ground, and I reckon I was in for a bit of chance," said prospector Brent Shannon during the interview. Shannon said the find was one of the most significant in his 40 years in the business. At the work site in Tarnagula, the prospectors use an excavator to dig up dirt and then lay it flat, and then use a metal detector to find the gold. Quote, "It's an exciting moment when you find these types of nuggets. There's no feeling that you can describe. It's something you never forget. It's like a feeling of no other. It's like winning the lottery. It's why you get up and go to work." That's some pretty impressive work, I'd say. It's not a bad day's work, pulling $250,000 worth of nuggets out of the ground. What do you guys think? So, yeah, it's pretty good. Wish we could all find $250,000 nuggets lying around. That'd be pretty great, wouldn't it? So let's talk about gold. It is Free Gold Friday anyway. Oh yeah, those are very nice. So it is Free Gold Friday. You guys know how this works. We're going to talk about that article right there. You're going to put the word nugget in your comment down below, and you will be entered into a drawing for these. On Monday, we do a random comment picker on Monday, and you have a chance to win 1 Utah Goldback and this very, very fine sticker. Make sure your comment includes the word nugget, and you will be entered. Good luck, everyone. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you haven't appreciated old IndyXP, why don't you go ahead and do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button right there. Helps me out immensely and helps me beat those YouTube algorithms. If you haven't been new to the Independent Experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest contents coming out, go ahead and Smash that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when new content is coming out. I just noticed that the calendar behind my shoulder here has yesterday's date on it. Forgot to change that before we rolled. It's the 21st. Just roll with it. Guys, I'm going to post the link right here. This box. You know what that's going on right there. That's going to be the last video that we've done. Make sure you check that out at the end of this one. Guys, I have been IndieXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.